evening, everyone, or evening for me, maybe morning for you, or night or day. Doesn't really matter. I'm saying evening because now it is evening. It's 9 past 8, or 8 p.m. in the evening. Anyways, let's get on to the show. So, what I'm going to start off with is some exciting news. I just found out yesterday, no, not yesterday, 2 days ago. Yes, 2 days ago, I found out that Godot 4.0 was released. Major news, huge news. It's been, now the name of Godot has really kind of struck home with me. I've been waiting for Godot 4.0. Waiting for Godot. I've been waiting for it for quite some time now, so I'm really excited to jump in and try it. So a change of plans here in this Learn Software Development course is to jump into downloading Godot 4.0, and I'm going to create the rest of the course using 4.0. Let's first start off by downloading Godot 4.0. So it works just like in previous versions of Godot. No surprises there. So let's go to www.godotengine.org. And here it's already in the front page, 4.0. Now, when did this come out? All right, here it is. Let's check it out. It came out 1st of March. So it came out Wednesday, so 3 days ago. I found out just by chance by going to Godot Engine website on Thursday, so this is really, really fresh out of the box. Exciting stuff. So let's go ahead and download this. I know there are breaking changes in syntax between 4.0 and 3.5 and 3. Anything, hence the major release 4. So there's going to be some breaking changes, but that's fine because some of the things it introduces are really cool. I believe callables, the feature of having a callable, a bit like in Python, might have been one of those things. At least when using the new signal connections, you give the function as it is and not as a string version of it. So that kind of would feel like it. But I'm going to learn a lot new things here myself. So really drives in the how does a software developer's mind work part. That was also part of this course. But now I'm blabbering on. I can click right here or go here to download. Let's just check download. You can select here 4.0 and then the .NET version, so C# support. We're not going to be using that for this course. We're using this one. Here it's saying Linux. I think other platforms, see below. So yeah, here are all the downloads, other platforms. Here we go. So yeah, you can change the platform from here. So go Mac OS, yeah, brings me to Mac OS here. But I'm on Linux, but if you have Mac OS, download from there. Windows, also for Windows, lovely. Linux, yes, let's go ahead and download that. Make a donation. Really would love to, but I'm going to skip it now because now is tutorial time. Alright, that downloaded it rather quick. It's 49.5 megabytes, so it's larger than what it used to be. And here we have Godot 4.0. And now to get to the app, it happens just like previously. So unzip it, gonna extract it here, and there you have the ready-made executable. I actually downloaded this 2 days ago, so I'm gonna delete these away from here. I have Godot 4.0 here already under my applications directory. Those of you who saw my previous installing Godot to Linux might have seen me do this already, but that's why I'm going to delete these because I already have it there and I have it starred. But that is how you install it. Simple, easy, quick. And this is the same executable that you just saw there in the downloads, on which I unzipped. It's significantly larger than 3.5. This is 115.4 megabytes, and 3.5 was 78. So there's a lot of new things going on in 4.0. And I think it's not only graphics that are making this a bit larger. So yeah, I think Vulkan 1, remember seeing something about Vulkan in it as well. I have to check on that, but I think there's some new rendering options as well. Do read the release notes of 4.0. They should be here in GodotEngine.org. So latest news, release, let's see if there is mention of Vulkan. Yes, new features, here we go. Vulkan and new renderers, highly improved, lots of things there. GD script, GD extension, experimental. Ooh, I wonder what that is. See, GD script. What are some of the new things here? All right. Okay, you've got like a new, slightly new syntax for setting and getting, I guess. Yeah, not much mentioned there. But here, this connect is already different. See, here we have like the signal's name, and then here you have the function that's being called. It used to be so that you connect the name of the signal, the object you're connecting it to, and then the function, and that was in a string. So there's some really new stuff here. So yeah, this looks like callable syntax, like here. You're given the function the same way. All right, lots of cool things going on there. But there, that's Godot 4.0 installed. If we double click and open it, we'll see it pop up. I already did a little hello world test with this earlier. So that's why you see this little project here. But there, that's ready and installed. And in the next video, we're going to go ahead and create a fresh new Hello World project. That's gonna be something where we get to program things for real. And we're gonna be exploring some basics of the Godot engine as well. And mind you, 4.0, Godot 4.0 is just released, and I'm trying to get these videos out ASAP so that there'd be some tutorials for people jumping into the Godot bandwagon out of blue and really would like to get to learn how that works. So this video course might actually strike two, I'm not going to say birds, it's unfortunate to always be striking two birds with one stone, but it's two targets with one stone. It could be cans, two cans with one stone, sounds better. So learning software development, of course, the main part of this whole course, but also Godot 4.0, and that's something that'll be interesting for other people as well who are not necessarily looking for all of the other extended software development learning material that I have going on here, but the stuff regarding 4.0 would be interesting, and those are things that you will see obviously in these videos as we will be using that. So download Godot 4.0, install it just like I showed you in the video, and we're good to go. I'm going to close the project manager now, because in the next video we're going to go in and create the Hello World project. That's it for now. Short and simple. As is installing Godot, it's really short and simple. All you need is that executable and you're good to go. Same for Windows and Mac OS. The exact same installation instructions should apply. Have fun. Have a nice rest of the day or night. I don't know when you're watching this. But anyways, peace and love. Goodbye.